struggles.
Yeah, how much longer? How much longer?
Get ready.
Yo.
I need one more set.
Stop on.
I need
No
one more.
shot.
You miscounted.
I miscounted. It resets the timer.
I think it's reset. It more important than
No, chill. Alright, this is the setup. Water goes into the bucket for the hand wash.
Alright, 7 minutes. Let's do this. Ready, set.
Alright, lesson learned. Do not press the, don't press it.
So you do the grills, right? And all that stuff?
Yeah.
Pretty good 6 minutes.
I think that's how much time is left.
Yeah.
No, it's going down.
Oh shit.
What the hell? I'm doing this.
38, 37.
Alright, get ready to wash it. Start washing that side.
Start watching.
Everything's up, man.
It's repainted. Yeah, you gotta be quicker, bro.
Quicker.
Come on, 40 seconds, bro. You're on a timer. Let's go. Get the windows. Yes, sir.
30, 29.
Yo, the automatic truck. It just happens randomly.
20 seconds.
I'm done.
I just keep rinsing. Use all that water.
Add more water to the bucket.
Just leave it like that. No, like leave the thing in there. Yeah, just leave it like that.
Alright.
Okay, add more soap too.
This is right there.
I think you should pull your car into this bay.
What color is it?
I have no idea. It's like a gray though.
Yeah, you see the gray, right? I figured it's fire.
Alright, now what? Nah, I think it'd be easier to just... I don't know. Fuck it, we go there. Better lighting over there.
Yeah, why is it? Problem is,
Huh?
I don't have enough cash.
Yo, Ronnie, where them quarters at?
We gotta get more quarters.
Yeah. How many do you have?
Not enough.
I think what you should do is you should dry your car right now with the towels.
Alright, let's see. Where's the nearest? Search up the nearest TD bank or something.
Alright, let's find a bank real quick. That's good. Alright. Now, Loki, go to the back. Yeah, I think my shocks are low-key blown. I ain't hold on. I mean, I might as well just like...
Water?
Might as well.